Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes to in its daily weather briefing. Yesterday, the very heavy rainfall was recorded at one or two places over the Assam and Tripura. However, the heavy rainfall was reported over the Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and at one or two places over Jharkhand, Odisha, and Telangana. Yesterday, maximum 13 centimeter rainfall was recorded over the Assam and Tripura, and maximum 9 centimeter rainfall was recorded over the Jharkhand. And if you look for the today chief synoptic features, so this blue color line represents the actual position of the monsoon trough, a normal position of the monsoon trough, and this red color line represents the actual position. So we can see the monsoon trough is also running close to the foothills of Himalayas on today also, and a cyclonic circulation lies over the northwest Uttar Pradesh, and another cyclonic circulation lies over the east central and adjoining northeast Bay of Bengal. Because of this cyclonic circulation over the Bay of Bengal, a low pressure area is likely to form over the northern parts of the Bay of Bengal around 18th of August. Because of the synoptic features, we can see there is intense convection over the many parts of the northeast and adjoining central Bay of Bengal. Intense convection can be seen over the Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, and moderate to intense convection can be seen over the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and some parts of the northern parts of Bihar. And light to moderate convection can also be seen over the East India and adjoining Central India on today. And if you look for the weather warning for today, so on 16th of August, because of the monsoon trough and cyclonic circulation, isolated heavy rainfall activity at one or two places is likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and Tripura, Sikkim area, and over the East India also, isolated heavy rainfall mainly over the Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Odisha. However, the light to moderate rainfall will be experienced over many parts of all those regions. On tomorrow, on 17th of August, isolated very heavy rainfall activity will be experienced at one or two places over the Odisha. So we have given the orange color warning, and isolated heavy rainfall activity at one or two places over the parts of the northeast India, over the Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Chhattisgarh also. So we have given the yellow color warning for all those regions. However, the light to moderate rainfall activity will continue over the many parts of all those regions. On 18th of August, Odisha will again experience very heavy rainfall activity at one or two places. However, the heavy rainfall activity will continue over the parts of northeast India, and heavy rainfall belt will gradually shift towards the Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha region. So on 18th of August, isolated heavy rainfall activity is likely over the northern parts of the coastal Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, East Madhya Pradesh, and Vidarbha. And on 18th of August, Uttarakhand is also likely to experience isolated heavy rainfall activity. So all those regions are covered in the yellow color warning. On 19th of August, isolated heavy rainfall activity, mainly these activity will be confined to the northeast India and over the east and adjoining central India. So we have given the yellow color warning for all those regions, and light to moderate rainfall activity will be experienced over the many parts of northeast India, many parts of the Uttarakhand, and many parts of the east and adjoining central India. And on 20th of August, isolated heavy rainfall activity over the northeast India will continue. However, over the Odisha, only light or moderate rainfall activity will be experienced on 20th August, but Chhattisgarh, East Madhya Pradesh, and Vidarbha, and Uttarakhand will experience isolated heavy rainfall activity at one or two places. Yellow color warning is given for all those regions. However, over the remaining parts of the country, like the entire South Peninsular India, entire West India, over the plains of Northwest India, and even the Bihar area also, there will not be any significant weather in the upcoming 5 days. However, the light rainfall activity at one or two places will be experienced in the next 5 days. And because of the very heavy rainfall activity mainly over the Odisha state on 17th and 18th of August, there is a possibility of localized flooding, and there is also possibility of waterlogging mainly in the low-lying areas. Because of the very heavy rainfall, there is a possibility of some damage to the vulnerable structures, and there is a possibility of some damage to the mainly the horticulture and standing crops. And over the hilly areas of all those regions, there is some possibility of localized landslide or mudslide. So we advise you, whenever the very heavy rainfall spell is going on in your area, so always follow the any traffic advisories which are issued in this regard. Always be updated with the weather information, and always follow any guidelines which are issued by the government in this regard. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and our Twitter page. Thank you.